Let's turn now to the situation in North Carolina. NBC News correspondent Julia Ainsley joins us now from Morehead City. Julia, good morning. We see it's windy where you are. Tropical Storm Idalia is hitting the North Carolina coast this morning. What can we expect to see from this storm as it makes its way across the state? What are those conditions like where you are right now?
That's right. Well, throughout the Carolinas, about 50,000 are without power. But the main concern is flooding and winds as the remnants of this storm move through these states now and out to sea at the end of Idalia. We are expecting high tide here in about 20 minutes. And so areas of eastern North Carolina could see as much as the 4-foot storm surge. Right now in Morehead City, there are some people out and about, but most are told to stay home. We're really just seeing bands of this storm. It can feel calm one moment, and then you're bracing yourself the next moment as bands of rain and wind come through this area. And so officials here are worried about what might come next, and they think that it's going to continue to rain throughout the day. They're still under a tropical storm warning throughout the Carolinas, state of emergency here in North Carolina as well, and schools remain closed even as far west as Raleigh.
And Julia, what are officials saying as far as the holiday weekend? Is there any advice for both locals and tourists who might be in town for the Labor Day holiday?
Yeah, they are certainly putting out some warnings, especially now as we see the last of this storm move through here. North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper addressed this. Here's what he had to say.
When you do have tropical storm warnings, it's important to try to stay inside and stay off of the road for the period of time that the bad weather is here, and just batten down the hatches for a little while. You know, hopefully that if we get through this, they can still have a weekend that will be positive. But until this storm is passed, everybody needs to be careful and stay safe.
So you're seeing now, of course, officials say to stay where they are until the storm moves through here. It could be we still have some more unexpected wind and flooding still to come.
Julia, we've already seen a tornado warning go into effect this morning along the coast. How serious of a threat is this as the day continues?
Well, I think that remains to be seen. Obviously, the threat here isn't as big as it was in Florida. There were no evacuation orders here. But, you know, we're seeing some local business owners come and check in. There's a restaurant right here. They're checking to see where those water levels might be. They say it's nothing compared to what they saw in 2018 under Hurricane Florence. But there's still a lot of unexpected in this storm because it's not over. The remnants of it are still coming through here and moving over areas like Wilmington, just south of here now.
All right. We know you'll keep us posted there, Julia. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.